guys, it's Jira Bro back with you another video. We're gonna be covering some Jira product discovery. We didn't cover Jira product discovery for a long time, and in this video I'm gonna be covering the connections, and that is how you can actually see the connections within the roadmaps. This is only available for the Jira product discovery premium. It was actually right here. It was something that was updated pretty recently, and this is how it actually looks like. So you have like a create an opportunity, and within those opportunities you have some solutions that were actually added. So these two are actually having a connection between them, and you can actually see the connection. How is it actually being made? Now, all right, so let's dive into this. So for this, in order to actually replicate this, you need to create the two types. One is going to be opportunity, another one is going to be solutions. Then you're going to go for the fields, and when you go for the fields, I'm just going to give it a name here, opportunity. And the first thing that you're going to select here is going to be the type of connection. And I'm going to be creating that, and it's going to ask me what is it going to be. It's going to be named opportunity, and I'm going to say this is the type I'm actually asking for. So type opportunity, and basically that's it. All right, if we scroll down, we can actually see that we indeed have it. Now we have also solutions. I'm going to select a type that is going to be a connection as well. And when you're creating for the type, you need to have the source of solutions. That's it. So now when we're actually doing this, we're going to be creating a list view right here. So if we go for opportunities as the first thing that you're actually adding, the second thing that you're going to add is going to be the type. All right. So that's going to be the another thing. And also you want to go from here, a new opportunity, for example. Also, we're going to create another list, and we're going to give this a name, all solutions. From here, we're going to go with a filter, and when we go actually the filter, what we're going to be doing is we're going to search for the type. And since these are the solutions, we're going to go for the solutions. I'm going to create this a new solution, and I'm going to say something like problem solved. All right, these two. Okay, so if we actually go back here, now what we need to do is basically we need to make a connection between these two. So if you actually indeed go back, so we're actually looking for the solutions. We can actually group by. Yeah, we can definitely do that if we wanted, but this is not something that we actually want to do. So in here, let me just go quickly. Product roadmap. Yeah, all those things are actually okay. So if I add here, so it's saying select to create an idea, explore via travel, and as you can see in here, they're actually appearing. So if I go for a new opportunity, I have this option to add it right here where it says connections. Now it's saying no connections at all. But what I can do is I can add a solution here, and I can add a problem solved as well. So now I have two connections in here that I'm having. Actually, well, for my summary, and that is another thing that I can add. Of course, in here, if I want, I can go with, I doesn't go with a type. It's okay. I can go with, for example, creator if I want, and I have the solutions in here. So same thing, if I go with solutions, then it's saying that basically I have one connection here, which is all right. So I can add also for this new one, for seize the day, for example, I can add the connection in here. And I can actually see that connection is definitely in there. Yep, I added a new one. So if you're asking if you can add a column in here, the answer is unfortunately no for now. But I believe that in the future, this is going to be something that is going to be available to actually add. So now, if we go and if we actually kind of see this, yeah, we have some, it has some things in here we actually have added. So, yep, there's a quick summary and there's a thing saying new opportunity. And for the new opportunity, I have the connections that have been added indeed. Yeah, that is actually how you actually create the connections. But what we are indeed actually looking for is, okay, and it's saying see connected ideas via connection field, which is something that we indeed have. So we have by the category, narration of labels, opportunity, and it's saying seize the day, and it's saying problem solved. And this is something that we're actually having now. Now we can group by, and we can say group by the opportunity itself. So I can actually see it in here. And I can see one idea that is actually being connected in here, other ideas. All right, so the following fields preventing the publishing of your view because they're displayed or used for grouping, sorting, or filtering. Okay, that is all right. But then again, we're actually having these parts right here, which is something that is totally fine. And we can definitely see something like this. Now, let's see that if we have this as a new board, all ideas, copy, whatever. All right, so if you actually go with the columns, and we're looking for opportunity. All right, so within the opportunity, we actually can indeed see these connections right here. A new opportunity, and it's saying a new opportunity, and then it's saying is the date. And in here, it says that as well. So we have these things added in here. So I just created a new board and I just added right there. That is most of the things that you actually need to know about the connections. I will leave the link in the description so you can actually read about these connections a bit more and to understand them better. And basically that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.